In this video, I will show you how ranges will be functioning into the Excel. So what is the range and how it can be helpful to you working with the ranges. Range is nothing but multiple number of rows and columns adjacent to it, that is called as a range. So for example, if I am clicking on the cell number C2, that is 3500, and if I click and drag this cell all the way up to here, let's say up to 13, so this C2 to C13 is called as a range. Now range may be anything. Range can be of by selecting number of columns, or you can also select by click and drag number of columns and rows as well, right? So here my range can be C2 to D13, right? So this is my range. Now after selecting all these columns and rows, if you press the tab key or enter key, so as you can see, it will be cycled through to one cell to the another cell, right? Now what is the advantage of using the range into the Excel? You can easily calculate, or you can easily see some of the functions by highlighting all these things. So here you can see, if I select all these rows and column by click and drag, starting from 3500 to the 1431, I can see there are total 24. So 24 number of rows I have selected. So 24 number of cells I can say I have selected. So 1 cell, 2 cell, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on up to 24. Here it can be show you sum. So total sum of all these numbers is this, and total average of all this number is this. So sometimes it becomes very handy when you want to quickly see some of the selected cells or average or count. Okay, so at that time this function working with the range becomes pretty much handy and very useful.